She's eating a decent chunk.
Yeah, I didn't think she was going to eat this much. She's eating this so slow, though. I expected her to, like, tear through it a little faster. Yeah, that's what we thought, Claire, but you're just being a little lady. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Are you happy it's your birthday? Oh, yeah? Quite a lot to say about your birthday. Oh, you weren't done? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt. There's a lot of frosting on your sippy cup, baby. Maybe you shouldn't have smashed so much cupcake into it.